Oh man. What? I can speak again. For years I've had this piece of thing in my throat and I couldn't say a word, man. Do you know how hard it is to go to McDonald's every single day and ask for a burger and fries and hurls and grunt noises? It's hard, man. It's hard. Anyways, about the review for this item. This is a X-Wing from Propel, which is a company that designs these and many others. And we're gonna open it right now. You shut up. He's just jealous. And inside, we're gonna do the unboxing today. And inside is the drone. The X-Wing, what's this? Special Collector's Edition box. And then it has the showing how you can see the serial number. Alrighty then. Let's take this out. You be quiet. Stay there. Oh, it's really in there. There we go. Come to daddy. Nothing inside. Let's put this box there. And let's take this bag off, and I can see here right away on the side that there's the serial number X. So X means it's the vehicle type, X-Wing. And it's a what? T-65 X-Wing, high performance battling drone. You can battle. And the serial number is X14978 UK. Very well. So I've been told this is the amazing moment on opening the box. Something is gonna happen. So let's take a look. Carefully lift the lid upwards. So let's carefully lift the lid upwards. What? That is amazing. I remember this music. I was there, man. I was there. It's like at the end, they didn't give me a medal. Idiots. Everybody got a medal. Why did Guy get a medal? I did as much as the other guys. I was like, not cool, dude. Not cool. Does this move, is this like the whole music? I guess it is. Wow, it keeps going on. Oh no, it's going. Propel. You did good, Propel. You did real good. That was the best unboxing I've ever seen or done ever. That's like the epitome of opening up your new toy and seeing like the box displaying this awesome music that gets. I'm like, I want to go inside there because they never let me. All I get to do is go on the bloody Millennium Falcon. Anyways, let's open it up slowly, I guess. The lid comes off. Yeah, there we go. Put it there. What else comes off? Does the drone come off? Oh, the whole thing comes off. Okay. Wow, so pretty. Use 2 fingers to lift. I'm a rebel, so I'm gonna use 1 finger to lift. Boom! Shut up! Freaking hard too. There's nothing else in the box. Let's put the rest here. And what else is inside? Oh, it's like a little tray thing. Oops, bring it up the other way. That's just unboxing. Then we have instruction manual. Let's take the instruction manual out of this package. It's like nice. Pilot's handbook. Wow, it's pretty neat. What does it say? Package contains all the yada yada. 2.4 gigahertz wireless controller, X-Wing, 2 batteries, instruction book, charger, USB cable, water adapter, protective training cage, I guess that's it, screwdriver, propeller multi-tool, full battery cover, use with collectors for the box, battery parts, collectors light up display box, the most amazing collector item thingy I have or have ever had. Okay, so it teaches you how to use it. These are the other ones. The speeder bike, the TIE Fighter Advanced, and I got the T-65 X-Wing, which I'll help save with Han. I got Luke out of trouble. Don't throw away the boxes. Yeah, no, really. Plug into charge. Display case. Battery. How do you put the battery in the remote? This is very nice. I love the graphics. Remove the propellers. Enter music mode. Oh, there's music. What? There's music. Let's adjust the volume of your speaker and a headphone. Choose background track. What? There's music. It flies with music. Main title: Star Wars: A New Hope. Battle of Endor. Star Wars: Return of the Jedi. Throne Room. And asteroid fields. Alliance Assembly. Lando's Palace. And stars await. Wow. Just wow. Propel. Well done, Propel. Smartphone holder, so you can go to Facebook and show all your friends like, oh, look at the fun I'm having, and you're not, unless you buy one, obviously. It has some protective cage things for the propellers, although it'll look a bit horrible, I guess, with that. Wow, and much more live LEDs, and wow, this is like a lot. Drop back and attack. What? Oh, that's cool. Like in the end, they have like circular strafe, like moves you can do to counteract other drones if you. And I heard you can battle them, but the prototypes that I've tried, you can actually shoot them, but I don't know if these can, so we'll take a look. X-Wing designed for indoor and outdoor. High speed, be careful, don't hurt yourself. Cool, let's see what's in the other boxes. So that's the wall charger and the batteries. Oh, that looks cool. Batteries, wall charger, Propel. Cool, look at that. Nice. What's this? This is the oh, it's like the holder, I guess. Oh, it's another battery. Oh, 3 batteries. Propellers and extra bits because the front part bit's probably gonna get broken. And then this is nothing. And this is the remote controller. That's nothing else in the box. That's cool as well. Oh, it's throttle isn't going like up or down. It's spring loaded for all movements. So we'll need to see how that works. Cool. And then the beauty. Oh, please don't break this. Put it here. Just stick it out. Slowly. With my fat Wookie hands. Oh my god. Okay. It's almost out. Oh, it's out. No, that one got back in. There we go. Wow, look at that. It has a little IR thing underneath. I guess that's what they use to battle each other. I don't know if they can yet or not. Wow. Well, let's take a look at it flying, shall we? Pew 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 pew. So one of the coolest things that I found is that the remote talks to you even with the batteries off. So when you start putting the batteries inside, it should start vibrating. There we go.
Feel the force.
And that's, the batteries aren't even connected.
The rebellion needs you. Insert 4 AA batteries into the battery compartment.
That's amazing. And it's like, use the force. May the force be with you. That's amazing. That's just putting batteries on the remote. Wow. Okay, so the batteries are fully inside of the remote now. We can power it up. And to link to the drone, we need to move throttle up and then all the way down. And right away you have the control playing music for you. Oh, that's amazing. So these little buttons I was researching in the manual. This turns the LEDs on and off. The upper button levels the quad so it does the calibration. Top left doesn't do anything, I think. And then the the bottom left launches the quad into the air. But you can also change the music that's playing in the quad itself. So let's try that. You have to press both the down buttons at the same time. It goes into the music selection choice where you can lower the volume or put it higher. And then we can change the tracks as well. So let's fly. I'm finally flying an X-Wing. Luke never let me fly his. He said I would get hair all over the place, and then he would have to spend hours vacuuming it. Jerk. Ah, shut up. Well, let's go.
All wings reporting. Red 10 standing by. Red 3 standing by. Red 6 standing by. Red 9 standing by. Red 2 standing by. Red 11 standing by. Red 5 standing by. Block S4 is in attack position. The targets are giving tail. Hold tight. Let's get deflectors on double front. The size of that thing. Cut the counter out, too. Accelerate to attack speed. This is it, boys. Red leader, this is Gold. I copy, Gold leader. I'm heading for the target shaft now. We're in position. I'm going to cut across the axis and try and draw their fire.
Wow, what an amazing product. I mean, I never quite enjoyed something like this. It's superb. It makes me feel like I'm a kid again. Back in my home planet, obviously. But yeah, I mean, simply amazing. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, you can click here to subscribe to me. And I hope you had fun and